Hey, it's Miss Jennifer again. This project is tints and shade, and I'm going to show you how to mix different tints and shades of red. But this can be applied to any of the colors that you create or you find on the color wheel. Okay. So this project we're going to do is tints and shade. And tint is whenever you add white to a color to make it lighter gradually. And shade is when you add black to a color to make it darker gradually. So this color that we've got here is our primary color of red. So we're going to use it because it shows up really well on camera, and I really want you to see the different gradients that you can achieve with just mixing a little bit of white and red together. So on your paper, you can use any type of paper for this, just like I showed y'all how to do the color wheel. Any type of paper will work with this. So we're going to use the top of my paint jar to draw circles. I'm going to do 4 circles to start with, and you can do more if you like once you've got the idea and the hang of this. I'm just going to put them a little bit kind of close together, not too far apart, because you want to be able to see them next to each other. 1, 2, there's number 3, and they don't have to be perfect. Nothing has to be perfect when we do this. And here's 4. This is going to be our tint. Now the tint is whenever you use the white and the red mixed together. The first one we're going to paint is going to be straight red. So I'm just going to take my paintbrush, dip it into the red, and we're going to paint this circle red. That is your straight, pure color. There's nothing else in it. Okay. All right. Y'all got y'all's done? Good job. Here we go. So we're going to take the white, a little bit of red off to the side, and we're going to take just a little bit of white and mix it in there. And you're going to notice that red and white make another color. Anybody tell me what that color is? Pink. That's right. Good job. So we're going to place this next to our original red. Now you might not notice much of a difference in this, and that's okay. You want them to be really close together. So once you've got that filled in, you're going to come back over here to your white and get another bit of white, and you're going to mix it into that color that you mixed from the original red. Now you can start to see a difference here. Do you see how much lighter it is between this one, and then the difference between the original? Yeah, it shows up now. So you're going to fill in this next piece with that lighter red or pink, whatever you want to call it. So one more time, we're going to get another glob of white on our paintbrush. You don't have to clean your paintbrush in between these. And mix it in, and you're going to get a really, really, really light red. Okay, so you're going to use that bit to fill in the last one of your circles. Now, here's where I'm going to give you a little bit of homework. I want you to draw 4 more circles off to the side, and I want you to continue to dip that white paint and add it to your previous paint and keep making it brighter as you go along. Okay. So I'm just going to draw some more circles on my paper, and if you want to get it closer to your tints, you can. That's okay. I'm going to put mine down here so you can see it a little bit better. And again, these don't have to be perfect. This is just you figuring out how to mix those paints and get different variations on the same color. Okay, so now I've got my circles drawn. I'm going to start out with red again right here. So we're going to go from red to dark. All right, so I'm just going to take that straight red and put it in my first circle here. And I'm going to add a little bit of black into it, and you're going to see a big difference in this one and this one. So this is just a tiny little bit of black added to it. Do you see the difference? It's darker, isn't it? It's almost like a cherry red now. Really pretty. Okay, and then we're going to add a little bit more black to that same color. And you're going to see another difference. Ooh, look at that one. That's a deep red right there. Isn't that pretty? Okay, and then we're going to go one more time. Get a little bit darker. You can really see a big drastic difference between the very first one here and this one there. Those are shades. It's darker in the shade. Okay. Now your homework is to draw 4 more circles and continue to make this red darker as you go. Okay, I know you can do it and I can't wait to see what you do. Please share pictures of this on our comment section below. Thank you so much for joining us today for this little fun project we just did. If you had fun doing this, please like and share with your friends, and be sure to leave us a comment and also a picture of your project too. We'd love to see what you create. Thank you.